classic is a classic for a reason, right? But I feel like there's no reason that we couldn't teach an old dog new tricks. So the kids actually really like this version of a classic Sloppy Joe because the Indian spices, they're kind of sweet. So if I'm like, you guys, it's a candied, they're like, okay, I'm gonna eat it. Already going. So for this dish, we start with the aromatics. Olive oil in a pan, diced onion, minced garlic, grated ginger. That all just gets balloony and beautiful. So this time around, I'm gonna go with ground chicken. And you can use whatever you want. Ground chicken's gonna need a lot of help. I'm gonna do a tablespoon of Garam Masala. A traditional spice that comes from India is the classic Garam Masala. And it's this really beautiful, vibrant blend of like cardamom, cinnamon, nutmeg, all these things, and it comes together with kind of this sweet complexity. And I also add a little bit of turmeric, adds a little bit of bright zing to it, and it's delicious. Look how brave I am. White. I'm a rebel. Sloppy Joe, slop. You wanted me to do it. So after that ground chicken has been marrying with the spices, I add a couple of 8-ounce cans of tomato sauce. That brings in the classic tomato flavor. And after that kind of seeps in, a couple tablespoons of honey for extra sweet. My kids like it sweet. The presentation kind of goes back to the classic. Throw it on a whole wheat bun just to lighten it a little bit, but I like the garnish to be this zingy, bright cilantro. Sloppy Joe. Here's a Sloppy Joe for you. I'll place it right there. I love Indian Sloppy Joes, not only because it's simple to pull together, but it takes a classic and it elevates it. It's unexpected, but still maintains sort of an authentic flavor, like an old school flavor, but just elevated just a tiny bit. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. Learn how to spice up other classic dishes by subscribing below.